Hey everybody, and welcome to Raise You Up. This is the channel where we help you unlock your inner badass and create a life you absolutely love. Today, we're diving deep into the power of positive affirmations. Because let's be real, sometimes we all need a little boost to get out of our own way and step into our power, right? And that's exactly what affirmations can do. So if you're ready to manifest your dreams and create a life you truly love, you are in the right place. Hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss a single video. Let's do this. Okay, let's get started. Get clear on what you actually want. What are your deepest desires? What are those dreams you've been holding on to? Don't be shy. This is about you. Maybe you're yearning for a career change, or craving deeper connections, or prioritizing your health and well-being. Name it, write it down. These are your goals, your dreams. Create affirmations that align with them. Remember, your affirmations should be personal. They're powerful declarations that will shape your reality. Now that you've identified those juicy goals and dreams, it's time to turn them into powerful affirmations. Remember, we're not just thinking about these things, we're speaking them into existence. Grab a journal, some sticky notes, or your phone, whatever works for you. And let's start writing. Here's the key: frame your affirmations as if they're already happening. Instead of saying, I want to be more confident, you'd say, I am confident and capable. Feel the difference? One is rooted in longing, while the other is a statement of fact. You are declaring it to be true, even if you don't fully believe it yet. Write down each affirmation, making sure it's positive, present tense, and specific. The more clear and concise you are, the more powerful your affirmations will be. All right. You've got your affirmations locked and loaded. Make them a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. Think of it like brushing your teeth. You wouldn't dream of skipping it. Your affirmations deserve that same level of commitment. Find a time that works best for you, whether it's morning or night. The key is consistency. Say them out loud with conviction. Look at yourself in the mirror. Make eye contact with your amazing self. You might feel silly at first, but I promise you, the more you do it, the more those affirmations will seep into your subconscious and start to reshape your beliefs. Now, let's take your affirmations to the next level and supercharge them with the power of visualization. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine yourself living the life of your dreams. What do you see? Feel the emotions that come with achieving your goals. See yourself walking into that job interview with confidence, laughing with your loved ones, or rocking that outfit you've always wanted to wear. As you repeat your affirmations, hold those vivid images in your mind. The more you can embody the feeling of already having what you desire, the faster you'll attract it into your life. Remember, the universe responds to energy. When you combine positive affirmations with powerful visualization, you create an unstoppable force that can transform your reality. You've got this. Now here's the thing about manifesting with affirmations. It's not a one-time thing. It's about cultivating a mindset of positivity and belief in yourself. There will be days when you might feel discouraged or like things aren't moving fast enough. That's normal. Don't beat yourself up. Just acknowledge those feelings and then gently guide your mind back to your affirmations. Remember, you are worthy of achieving everything you desire. Keep repeating your affirmations, keep visualizing your success, and most importantly, keep believing in yourself. So, there you have it. 5 powerful steps to manifest your dreams with positive affirmations. Now, I want to hear from you. Which affirmation resonates with you the most? Share it in the comments below to declare it to the universe. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more life-changing tips and tricks. Remember, you are capable of amazing things. Believe in yourself, stay positive, and keep reaching for those stars. Until next time, keep raising yourself up. Keep raising.